Welcome to the Outdoor 3D Configurator by Signify. In this training video, you will learn how to use the configurator by building your product. Access the product panel. Select the luminaire you wish to work with. Click on the Options drop-down to access a wider selection of customization, including choices of lamp or LED, optical system, driver options, and more. Depending on the type of luminaire you select, a new tab for adding a pole or brackets will appear. To add a bracket, click on the Bracket tab. A new panel will load with the available bracket types for your chosen luminaire. Once you have selected your bracket type, click on the Options drop-down to configure the shape, number of luminaires, bracket combinations, and any additional customization. To add a pole, click on the Pole tab. A new panel will load featuring the available pole types for your chosen luminaire and bracket combination. Once you have selected your pole type, click on the Options drop-down to configure the height and other options. If an option is not compatible with your selection, it will appear grayed out. Clicking on it will prompt a pop-up window with a message providing guidance on what actions to take to make the option available. The configurator will not allow you to save any combinations that show a conflict. Certain pole options, such as banner arms, can be moved by simply clicking and dragging to your desired position. Once your pole has been selected and customized, two new tabs will appear: Mid-Pole Luminaire and Mid-Pole Bracket. These two tabs will allow you to add new luminaire and bracket configurations to the midsection of your pole. As before, each of these tabs feature their own options drop-down for further customization, as well as the option to click and drag your new luminaire and brackets to your desired position. For further ease of use, the luminaire, bracket, pole, mid-pole luminaire, and mid-pole bracket tabs feature a search field. To finish up your model, click the Color tab to load the available palette. The available colors for your luminaire will be highlighted, while unavailable colors will be grayed out. Selecting your desired color will apply that color to your full model, including all luminaires, brackets, pole, and add-ons. If you have an account with Outdoor 3D Configurator, be sure to save your model at this time for future use. For more tutorial videos or assistance with the Outdoor 3D Configurator, be sure to click on the Help tool found within the application.